Sarah Todd just got COVID tested.
Hopefully it's negative again.
Yes.
I don't even know how many times we've gotten tested now. Wait, we didn't get my food.
Oh, we left her food. We are returning to bacon.
We're so stupid.
That was not planned,
We
everyone.
forgot.
Hey guys, it's Nora. Welcome back to Sarah Todd's YouTube channel.
Hi, it's Sarah Todd. We're vlogging my last few days at college before I go home for break for 2 months. And we're on our way to get my last COVID test before I go home and pick up lunch.
So much fun. The COVID tests are very far away. We have to walk for ages to get them, but it's worth it.
Nora and I have no idea what we're doing for this.
At all. We're actually really embarrassed.
We're so
people
embarrassed. There's people nearby. Oh god. Today I have to do some laundry last minute, finish packing my room, so I'm ready to leave on Saturday, and I have to make sure that everything's clean before I leave. So I have to do that. It's gonna be a busy day. I also have to finish a psych paper, and I have to do my course evaluations. So I'm gonna be really busy before I go home.
Do you guys want to come see her sign that she put?
Oh my god!
Oh my gosh, ready? It's over here.
They were doing this really cool initiative on campus where you could write on a sign that said like freedom from, and then like write what you want to say, or freedom to. And so I grabbed a freedom from sign and I wrote ableism, which is the discrimination towards people with disabilities. And there's my sign.
Woo!
Campus is so pretty, so we're just going to show you a little bit of the walk on the way to the COVID test. Okay, that's probably good for me. I feel like a tour guide. I'm walking backwards. This is a wildcat statue, everyone. This is Baker, where the Belk Arena for basketball is, and like the pool and everything. This is also where you get COVID tested.
Update. We were late to pick up food. So they just had it sitting there.
I was just literally sitting
It's totally there's no.
The bells are chiming. We're
We're so excited.
It sounds so pretty. They're still going. Are they never gonna end? Oh, there they go. So pretty. There's so many squirrels on campus and they're always so feisty.
Charging the well at the moment.
We were sitting there a couple weeks ago and a huge spider landed on me. And I screamed. It was huge.
It's terrifying. I didn't see it, but
So big, it was crawling on me. Ugh.
the sun is very bright and
We're
beautiful.
approaching the cute little town. It's so cute. There's the bookstore right across the street. And there's so many good restaurants. Kindred is so good. And there's cute little sandwich places. CVS. It's a very nice little town.
We're crossing the crosswalk now. This is terrifying. You're gonna hear the thing make the funny noise. Wait. We always make lots of fun of it.
Wait. It like yells.
Yeah.
Wait.
Also, the cars here are very scary. They will literally run you over.
It's so true. They're so aggressive.
Yeah.
Wait. We're waiting. Wait.
The walk sign is on Concord Road.
It's so loud.
How do you feel about crossing the streets here, Todd?
Hoping I don't get run